Hello guys, welcome to Data Science Python Libraries. So today we will discuss about the Pandas part 5th, that is basically merging. So in previous session we have already discussed how we have performed the different type of merging is there, by using join, inner join, outer join, left join, right. Now we have discussed about merging on a specific column values are that. So that particular part we have discussed today. So how we can perform these particular operations. So in previous session, we have already discussed created the data frames and two dictionaries are that two data frames. Then we have merged about that by using inner join, outer join, left join. So, but you can check that particular data set. So when we have performed like left join, right join, and inner join, outer join, the result are similar. Nothing is changes. Like when we have performed left join, student name, four entries are that, as well as their class, activities, roll number, section is that. When we have performed the right join, similarly student name, class, activity, roll number, section is there. Similarly, when we have performed the inner join, result is same for the outer join. This you did not understood how we can distinguish these four joins. Why? Because the reason is that the data we have considered like a dictionary. So in that particular dictionary first and dictionary two, you can see that so all the data are same, like student name Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, Ramesh and Geeta. Same entries are that in the dictionary two. That is a student name Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, Ramesh and Geeta. So that's why they are not distinguished. So means if the same entry is there, so how we can distinguish? So for understanding better about that particular inner join, outer join, left join, and uh, right join, we have required to change some entries are that. So we have considered the same entries we are considering from there. So first Ramesh, in another entries we have considered like here Raju is there and another one is a Sita. Okay. Now we have performed that one. Okay. So entry first one, the same entries are that Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, Ramesh and Geeta. Now dictionary 2 we have changed some values are that Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, but next two entries are like sorry Raju and Sita is there. So these two entries are different inside. Now we can also perform the operations about merging about that particular part. So how we have performed, suppose that we have performed about this particular merge. So merge about the previously when we have performed the left join, they are doing this. Now when we have performed the left join, we have required specific terms. So we have just changed that particular values and finding the results. So pd pandas dot merge dictionary 11 as well as dictionary 2. How we have performed this? On a specific what? Specific by using student name. So student name is there. Student name is there for left join. Now we have performed pd.merge dictionary 11 to on name. Sorry, comma is missing. No. So you have seen the result. Now what they are doing? They are doing as per the that particular entry. Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, these entries are common as per the dictionary. But two entries are not same for the dictionary two. That is like Ramesh and Geeta. That's why they are showing this. And so for a left join, they have considering the left entries, and that is not considered that particular part. Remember about that particular part. Similarly, when we have performed for the right join, so pd dot merge dictionary 11 as well as dictionary 2 on student name. Now, when we have performed the right join, what they are showing? They are showing according to that particular dictionary to that particular part is that. Left join, here you have seen the output is default. When left join, we have considered left side, they have considered the part. But when right join, they have considered the dictionary two values are that means Raju and Sita they have considered. In the left join, they have considered the dictionary one values like Ramesh and Geeta is there. So that are the differences in dictionary 2 for the right join. Similarly, we can perform the another join is there. So pandas dot merge for dictionary 11 as well as dictionary 2 on a specific value we have provided. Student name is there and perform the inner join. So inner join you have seen, they are only provided three values are that. Why? Means inner, they are belonging both. Means both dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. That are the common values. So common values are Anil, Ajay and Mahesh. Only these three values are common. As per the student name is that. I just show to dictionary 1. So dictionary 1 that is a Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, Ramesh and Geeta. And dictionary 2 is that Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, Raju and Sita. So here three entries as per the student name is a common. Anil, Ajay, Mahesh in both dictionary 1 as well as the dictionary 2 is there. So that's why when we have put up the inner join, the common values are showing. It's not other values. So what are the common values as per the which particular terms we have provided on behalf of the student name. So that is Anil, Ajay and Mahesh, not other values on that. So that's why they are showing these. Similarly, we can perform for the outer join, pandas, merge, dictionary 1 as well as dictionary 2 on a specific we have provided student name is there. Now, when we have performed the outer join, the difference is that basically in outer join, inner join only the values that are common, both dictionary 1 as well as the dictionary 2, they are printing that one on behalf of the student name, not other keys they have considered. But when we have provided the student name, that is a key values on for the outer join, so what they are doing? They are printing all the values, means either they are inner as well as the outer is that. Means Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, Ramesh for the dictionary 1 as well as the dictionary 2, Raju and Sita, that are the difference. So they are combining all these. So means what are the differences in these different joins are that when we have provided the outer join, everything they have printed. Means they are providing the index 0 to 6, that entries and corresponding to these, suppose that for the Ramesh and Geeta in dictionary 2, there is a no section. No roll number is allocated to Ramesh and Geeta, but Raju and Sita, the roll number is allocated as well as the section is allocated. Similarly, for Raju and Sita, dictionary 1, because these two entries are not in dictionary 1, so that's why there is a no class is there and no activities. That's why they are showing NaN. Means no values are that. Similarly, if we are talking about the previous part, so they are showing inner join. So inner join means which one is the common, not they are showing the other values. But outer join, they are combining all the merges. But suppose that some values are not available, so they are providing that missing values as a NaN representation is that. Similarly, if we are talking about the right join, what they are providing on behalf of the right join, they are going for the dictionary 2. That particular right side is there. So right side they are doing according to that particular part is that, and according to that particular part they are printing. So because class that is not allocated in dictionary 2, so according to dictionary 1, there is Raju and Sita, they are printing missing values like NaN is there. Similarly, activities, that is a missing values like NaN is there. Similarly, when we are doing for the left join, what happened? They go for the dictionary 1-1. So dictionary 1-1 corresponding student name is printing. Anil, Ajay, Mahesh, Ramesh and Geeta. Similarly, their classes is allocated, activity is allocated, but roll number is not allocated. Why? Because the roll number is a key values of dictionary 2. So dictionary 2, the Anil is available, Ajay is available, so Mahesh is. So that keys values roll number is allocated, but Ramesh and Geeta is not in the dictionary 2. That's why they are showing the missing values. Similarly, the section of that Ramesh and Geeta is not available in the particular dictionary 2. So that they are showing the missing values. So left join means left dictionary they have considering and merging them, and missing values they are showing. Similarly, when we are talking about the right join, so right join, right dictionary, that dictionary 2 they have considering, and missing values showing about the dictionary 1, that one. Similarly, when we are talking about the inner join, so which one is the common in both the dictionary they are showing. Similarly, for the outer join means they are showing all the values, all the key values are that. So if they are not available in any dictionary, they are showing the any. So that are basic. So I think guys, it is clear. Thank you.